Hey guys, it's Bill from Varsity College, Pretoria, BCAT 1. Okay, this is my project for programming POE 1, and I named it Crossy. So, yeah, this is it. So, basically, here for Crossy, it's all the scanner stuff. So, welcome, the username, like, please enter your username, and, like, gives you the instructions of what to add, what to do, right? And yeah, that's basically it. Like, if you enter your username, password, and cell phone number correctly with your first name and last name, you registered successfully. And then if you enter your username and password again, the same as you entered for your register, you log in successfully. And if you don't, then the program will tell you what you did wrong. Then here is the nitty gritty. So if like yeah, username, password, first name, last name, phone number, right? So then it gives you all the instructions and what it does. So username, again, I did it how the PE wanted with the public boolean, check username, check password complexity, and yeah. So for the username, obviously underscore, and it must be 5 characters max. Then for the password, 8 characters at least, one capital letter, one number, one special number. And here my code does to show that. And with the number, I chose South African numbers because we are in South Africa and the international code of South African number is plus 27. So yeah, that's followed by 9 or 10 digits. As you can see here, it all says that. And it does take into consideration if you do with the plus 27 instead of starting with like a 6-1. If you want to start with plus 27, 6-1, then it'll work. So yeah, then here we go. That's how it works. And once you enter username, password, first name, last name, and phone number, then you have registered successfully. If you did not, it'll tell you what you did wrong. And then after we've done that, then we go to logging in. Then you have to enter your username and your password again. So yeah, and if you do get your login successfully, then it'll say like welcome. For example, I'm using my name, Mil Albiari. And if you don't, then it'll say that it's wrong. And sorry if I do sound a bit weird. I am sick at the current moment of recording this. But let me run it so that you can see how it works. Just gotta wait a bit. There we go. Just gonna make some random ones. Kyle Rigid. So yeah, as you can see, I use a underscore there for the username. I use a capital letter, number, and a special character. Then my name, my surname, and my phone number. I'm gonna do it the plus 27. I'm just gonna make a random phone number. See, and it says you registered successfully. Now we just need to enter the username and password again, the same one we used for the register. And then we have successfully logged in. As you can see, guys, it worked. Now let's see if I do something wrong, like let's say I enter all the same stuff again, but I entered the wrong password. I entered my name, my surname. Let's just make another phone number. See, it says my password is wrong. Please ensure that the password contains at least 8 characters, capital letter, number, and special character. See, so I cannot register. So yeah, depending if you do the username wrong, the password wrong, if you do the cell phone wrong, it will tell you what you did wrong. So yes, that's how it works. Then for the Crossy test, um, let me just test the file for you guys. Right. So Just to explain how this works, I used the JUnit test that we're supposed to. Then my lecturer told me I must have false true and equals, which helped a lot. And basically, you can see the failed, some passed, and the ones that pass are the ones that are correctly formatted. You can see here, test check username correctly formatted. But then test check incorrectly formatted, so it's wrong. As you can see, okay, it's not correctly formatted everything here, but yeah, it's wrong. And then you can see like the ones that pass and are correct. So, like this whole thing here is the test and check username. See if it's wrong. That's wrong. There's no underscore. And if it's null, it's also wrong. And then if I go to the password check complexity, see if it's correctly formatted, then it's correct. But if it's incorrectly formatted, then it failed. So that's what I did with the test. Some are supposed to fail, some are supposed to pass. So yes, see password incorrect, it failed. Then with the checking of the cell phone number one passed, cell phone number one failed, the one here, yeah. And yeah, so that's my POE, and yeah, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.